The best residential flooring options for aging adults. Linoleum is the original resilient flooring material, made primarily from natural plant materials. Although it was largely replaced by vinyl flooring for many years, linoleum has made a comeback due to its natural qualities and other virtues. Natural stone, a very hard and unyielding material, natural stone also requires regular maintenance to keep the material clean. Polished stone flooring is extremely slippery when wet. Like ceramic or porcelain tile, stone floors can be very cold, unless installed with a radiant heating system below the surface flooring. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.